You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of these French physicists. If you want to learn more names of famous physicists, make sure to stay tuned. In French first, French pronunciation, Edmond. Yes, the D is silent in the end, so if you want to make it sound a bit more genuinely French, if you say Edmond, rather than Edmond, you'll sound a lot more genuine. Edmond Becquerel. So in English you could say it as Edmond Becquerel, or in French, if you want to hear the proper French pronunciation, Edmond Becquerel. Edmond Becquerel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.